And we're still in the week of success and victory. And we spoke about yesterday the importance about being victorious and successful, and seeing the beauty in the competition and in the, we call it a competition. Don't think for 1 second as here in competing with somebody, but the idea that when there is a resistance and a backwards and forth, or in a state of competition, that there's beauty in the victory, and the beauty is that when you go by the rules. But since we're on the focus of being victorious and being successful, then in order for me to win in life, in order for me to be successful in life, then I have to take initiative in things. I can't just sit there and things will just come to me. It doesn't work like this in life. So when I want to be successful, and success is not measured necessarily in business. Successful can be in many different things. But when I want to be successful in any type of challenge that I have, being successful is also in a challenge that I'm going through. Sometimes the challenge is challenging you to see how you're going to react. So to be successful, again, it's not making money. Just be successful, not to open my mouth and fall into the trap. In order for me to be successful in anything in this world, since we're talking about Netzach, then I have to take initiative. I can't be passive. I have to be active in everything. I can't be sitting there laid back and thinking that the world will cater to me. Now, in life in general, I have to be active and not passive. I can't be sitting there not doing nothing, which also means that I have to take on myself new challenges. Even though Hashem throws into my directions many challenges, but nevertheless I have to accept the challenge. Sometimes Hashem will put me through a challenge and I would give up before I even started. And could very much be that Hashem says, okay, I'll back off. I'll remove this challenge from you. But when Hashem is already giving you a challenge, take the challenge. You have to step up and say, okay, Hashem is challenging me now. Let me see what Hashem wants from me right now. Don't give up right away. What does that mean practically? Is that Hashem wants you to accept a challenge. Hashem is going to throw a challenge to you and He says, okay, now grab it. It's almost like you take a ball and you throw it to somebody. You don't want the ball to smash in their face. You want them to catch it. But if you're sleeping, it will smash your face. So Hashem, this is the game of this world. I'm using the word game. Don't take always my word so literally. Well, definitely not out of context, but the game of the world is that Hashem throws a challenge. Now He says, now grab it. Now do something about it.